guys, I wanted to show you these moon balls that I purchased for my son and my daughter, actually. They're really fun to get. And what's different about them is that they have these like craters in them, which is why they're called like a moon ball, which when you bounce it, it makes it kind of go in different directions. So it's not just like up and down. They are squishy, so I'm not like, they're not a super hard ball. So I'm not like really concerned about them using it inside the house where I feel like it's going to smash or break glass or something. Or if it hits another kid, I'm not worried about it. They're not like a squishy ball where you can like squish them completely down, but they definitely have some give to them. So they're not like a really hard rubber ball. Again, like it's fun and different because of the way that they're going to bounce. They're kind of like bounce in different directions, which I think is what makes them fun, as well as like different and promotes like eye-hand coordination. These are the pink and the orange, so really cute colors. They're a great toy. I think that it's definitely like if you have an active kid, if you're looking for a gift, this is a great thing to pick up.